Hey everyone, welcome to Stories of Architecture. This video is part 2 of my Gate Architecture 6-month strategy video series. So if you haven't checked out part 1, click on the I button or click on the link in the description down below. Let's begin. While conducting research for this video, I came across many examples which stated that you have to study 5 hours every single day from day 1 in order to achieve a good rank. And frankly, this advice always annoyed me because realistically, it is not possible that an individual can start spending 5 hours immediately from day 1 and continue this routine every single day for the next 6 months. Or maybe I am the lazy one. Still, just like while exercising, one cannot and should not directly start lifting 20 kg dumbbells from day 1. Rather, one should start slowly and build up to lifting that much weight. Similarly, it is unrealistic to expect someone to directly start studying for 5 hours from day 1. So, in this video, we will look at how to realistically approach this situation and ultimately calculate the total number of study hours we need to put in while preparing to expect a good rank in Gate Architecture. Let's begin. We know we have 6 months to prepare, that is August to January. Let's have a look at the month of August and divide it into 2 parts, 15 days each. Now, listen carefully. I am proposing to begin with just 2 hours of focused study session for the first 15 days. 2 hours is the minimum duration required and it is far less demanding compared to the 5-hour study session that others recommend. I believe that even a young professional in a job or a student in college can and would need to invest at least the bare minimum of 2 hours in the beginning if they want to take this exam seriously. This small but focused study session will help in getting in the mood of studying and in developing a routine. Now, after the first 15 days of studying, increase the duration by just 1 hour, that is 3 hours for the next 15 days. If 2 hours is possible, I am damn sure 3 hours is possible too. So if effectively, we have studied for a total duration of 75 hours in the month of August, as you can see in the table. Now let's keep that number aside for a while. September begins and by now you would have accustomed yourself with what to study, the type of questions asked, and the exam patterns and the topics to focus on, etc. And you would also have a better insight on how to manage your day to make time for your studies. So for the next 3 months, that is September to November, increase your study time by another 1 hour. So now we are studying for 4 hours each day. We have to do this in order to give time to more complex subjects such as structures, building construction, light and acoustics, etc. So in these 3 months, we have studied for 360 hours and by adding the hours of August, we complete 435 hours of study time. That's huge. Good going. Moving on. Now we have just 2 months left, December and January, and the pressure is on us. We have come so far, just a little more push is required, which means increasing the study time from 4 hours to 5 hours per day for the last 2 months. This dedication is what would separate the ones who secure a higher rank from the lower ones. 5 hours of focused study session incorporating the 5 activities of preparation that we discussed in the previous video would result in the best preparation possible. So in the last 2 months, we studied for 300 hours. Let's add the study hours of the past 4 months and we get a cumulative total of an impressive 735 hours study time in 180 days. Congratulations, that's a lot of study time. But wait, we can round off this number to a minimum study time of 720 hours, a number which is more usable while discussing it in relation to 118 working days. By doing this, we can calculate an average number of study hours that is required. It turns out to be 4 hours per day for 180 days. Now, if we pull up the day and month strategy timetable that we discussed in the previous video, you can apply this 4 hours average study time to get the same result. So I leave it up to you, dear viewer. If you're confident that you can invest an average of 4 hours per day from day 1, then go for it. A couple of things to remember. Use this strategy as a guide, not as an absolute timetable. Improvise and personalize the strategies according to your requirements. For example, sometimes you might be in the flow of studying where everything is going right, so don't limit yourself to these numbers that I proposed. Stretch your study time to 7 or 8 hours if you feel like. In contrast, if on some days you don't feel like studying or are unable to touch those numbers, don't stress out. There is a reason for the extra time available which you can utilize later. Hey everyone, I hope this and part 1 of the video series help in visualizing strategies in both aspects of days, months and studying hours. Do consider watching my GATE architecture preparation playlist and my other 20 plus videos I made on GATE architecture. Like, share and subscribe if you haven't already, and press the bell icon if to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for watching. Okay then, मिलते हैं फिर.